Hello, this is our project on a Theo Jansen walking robot for a class EGME 463, Introduction to Robotics, under the supervision of Dr. Nina Robson. My name is Anthony Velasquez, and I worked in collaboration with my teammates Blake Rose and Jesus Anzoategui. Let's observe how a bug walks. As you can see from the red outline, a bug has a walking path trajectory. A Theo Jansen walking gait follows that same trajectory and is what we want our robot's leg path to follow as well. To design and create such robot, we first designed a base which would hold the motor, the gears, and the legs. You can see the size of the base with 5 extruded cuts. Next, let's discuss the design of our gear. The gears, like the base, is designed in SolidWorks. You can see the dimensions listed below. Now to the design of our legs. To reiterate our objective, it is to have our legs follow the same walking trajectory as a bug. We decided to make the robot have 4 legs. You can see an animation here. All our pieces were 3D printed. To assemble the robot, we used an assortment of Lego pieces like axles and other stuff like screws that were harder to 3D print. Here you can see the battery and motor we used to power the robot. The motor went up to 150 rams per minute. Here we have the final assembly of our robot. Note the motor or battery are not shown here, but we went ahead and went with 4 legs and 6 gears on each side. Here we can see up close how the legs move when powered. It follows a similar trajectory as a Theo Jansen walking gait. Here's our 4-legged robot walking in the air. As you can see, it works well. All gears, links, and legs work simultaneously together to make sure the walking robot works. You can see the battery that supplies the motor right here. As you can see, the battery is attached by a wire to the motor right here. Here you can see the top view of our robot and how the motor is working. Here you can see our robot trying to walk. As you can see, it is having trouble walking. Again, we try to walk it on a different terrain this time. We take it outside. Again, it is unable to walk. Now on the floor. One of the problems we saw was that the gear kept getting stuck to the leg. As you can see here in slower motion.